Hello and welcome back to another video on Hacker Simulator. In the last video we hacked our first two contracts, that was two networks or two IP addresses, and we stole a driver's license and also a social security number. Those were two first contracts, and if you haven't watched that video you can go and watch that video. The video link should be right here. In this video we're going to continue hacking and complete another contracts. I think there are two other contracts, so let's go. Okay, we are back to business. Take a look at the room. Nothing specific here. Interact with the PC or laptop. So our objective: upload two malwares. So we have to our main objective is to upload two malwares. I guess we should be able to find those contracts on the Discord. Oh, we have 4 contracts right here. So let's go on first to with the brouhaha. So we are done with brouhaha. There's you need to steal a phone number. Okay, I mean I could complete this one, but the main objective is to upload two malwares. Let's go check the other ones. Greenhorn, hello, I really need your help. You have to steal a phone number. Okay. Digitate, hello, I really need your help. I have to upload my malware. I sent it to your server 200. Okay, so let's go and do this one first. So this is from this IP address. We need to upload the malware on this network or on this specific target. The hint for that objective, it says that once connected, type upload folder file, where the folder file is the path to your computer file that you want to upload, and folder is the network folder that you want to place the file in. Okay. Okay, hint, don't forget to validate those contracts by sending an answer to customers by clicking on the top box next to the plus button on this code. Okay. So it's gonna stay here for now. Let's go to FileZilla. So they said that they have uploaded the malware to my web server. So we have that Digitate. This is the contract for this client. The name of that is the same as the name of the client followed by the malware. Let's transfer this to our computer. We do have it here, so let's go and first I think we have to exploit it, I guess. So first I guess we have to check the exploit the target, type nmap and followed by the IP address of the target. Wait for that for a few seconds to run and see which service is available and on which port and which version. So port TCP is open, and also it's an HTTP server. Let's go and download an exploit for that from the browser, from the Kitties database. It's HTTP 117. Right here, download this, close this one, and then what we do is that HTTP overflow 117 followed by the target IP address and hit enter. It's gonna start a reverse TCP handler. Okay, we should be in. Okay, now that we are in, we need to, let's see, I could upload in any folder, but there is no specific one that says I really need to send to the server. Okay, upload this one. So the hint says that I can upload it, type upload folder file. So let's do upload. It is in the malware / and then the file was digitate malware, and then the folder. Which folder do I want to place this one? I want to put it into documents. Hit enter. Now it's gonna just upload the file to the target and we would be done. It's getting much fun. We have to do different steps in order to go through this hackathon. Okay, now we are done. Let's go and disconnect from the target, clear the screen, and let's go and say complete. Okay, great. Our reputation increased by 334. We also earned shell coin, five shell coins or something. And also just keep in mind that this is that the bar, or that we, whenever it gets near to full, we have to change the Wi-Fi network. Now we are on our virus free. If it gets fuller, or let's say it gets about to the end, I'm lost with words. So, but yeah, if you see the bar is just getting full, we have to change the Wi-Fi network. So for now, I guess we're good. And let's go to another objective. For the next upload of the malware, one is done and another one to go. The next client is bitched, or whatever you say. Hello, I really need your help. You have to steal a phone number at 125-241-22145. I guess I have to complete these things, these three, in order to get more, and then complete this one. Because Brohaha said steal a phone number, Green Home said a phone number, and bitched said a phone number. So I guess I'm gonna go with the bitched first. I have to copy the IP address. Come here, type nmap, target IP address, wait for it to find the port, the service, and the version of it, and then go and use an exploit on this one to hack and steal the information that they need. So as you can see, it's port 225, sorry, my bad, 445, state is open, it's an SMB, and also the version is 113. Let's go back to the website, Katie's database, it's SMB, and then what was the 113. Let's download this one. I'm gonna close this one, and then I'm gonna do the SMB 113, then the IP address of the target, wait for this to exploit it, get a reverse shell, and then ls downloads, ls documents, ls pictures, oops, try ls music. Okay, there's a text file. Let's cat music and whisper. That's the phone number. Let's download the file and whisper. Now we have to wait for a few seconds to download, and then we can just upload it to the customer, and we would be done with bitched. And I hope to get another contract on uploading the malware, because we have to complete this objectives of ours in order to progress, and we should complete the objective, and then we will get up a reputation to level 3, I guess. And we also need to hack into another Wi-Fi network at the end of today's video, I guess. So let's disconnect for now from this one. Let's go and file name. What is the IP address is? Okay, that's the IP address. Upload and done. Reputation increased by 3T4. We earned 7 shell coins, 7.3 shell coins, and contract is complete. Let's go to eJPT. It's done. Green horn. Let's do that. Complete this one. Gonna copy the IP address. Here, let me clear the screen and then run again. Nmap followed by the target IP address. Wait for it to check for the available service and its corresponding version or port. It's gonna be HTTP and version 116. So let's go to Katie's database, HTTP 116. The 116 is right here. Let's go and download this, close this one, and then we go to HTTP 116, and then the target IP address right here. Hit enter, and then we're gonna have a reverse shell, and then we have to go look for a phone number. ls, we have which folders? ls downloads, nothing. ls documents. Okay, let's cat documents slash. That's a street address. We don't need that. They are asking us to steal a phone number, but that one is in a street address. ls, let's check the pictures folder, nothing. ls music, nothing. ls dinner, nothing. ls session. Okay, let's read the contents of the swallow text file. Okay, that's the phone number. Let's download the file and then upload it for our customer or our client, and would be done with this project as well. Okay, let's disconnect, and then IP address. That's not social security number. Oh, it was a social security number. They asked it for phone number. Oh, my bad. I guess we have to go back and we have to use the exploit again, get back to this into that target, and also look for a phone number. That was a social security number, my bad. ls, and then we check the session. ls map. Let's read the contents of C. That's a driver's license ID, and then that should be the band though. And then that is a phone number. Let's download. Oh, my bad. Get map, and then band.txt. My bad. I downloaded the. That's not. It's. Oh yeah, it's 2 digits in the middle is the social security number. 3 digits in the middle is a phone number. So I didn't notice that. Okay, let's disconnect from the target. Come here. Paste the phone number. I think I phone.txt. Upload. Okay, repetition. Increased to level 3, and we earned 7.98 shell coins. Now we have about $40. Let's call it dollars here in this scenario. So now we have to do the same thing with you need to steal a phone number. This is 431664474. Let's copy this one and repeat this whole process again. Clear the screen, and then we use nmap. Wait for it to check the service and also its version. So it's SMB 147. Let's go to our web browser. SMB 147 right here. Let's download this. Close this one. Let's type SMB and press enter. It's gonna auto complete the rest. 147. Oh my bad. 147, and then we have the target IP address. Let's wait for it to use the exploit and give us a reverse shell. So now let's look for a phone number. ls downloads, nothing. ls documents. Okay, now let's read the contents of this one. One is the swallow. That is the phone number, I guess, that we need. So I'm gonna just read out of curiosity the contents of hit also. What is that? That's a driver's license. So I'm gonna just download the swallow file, documents. So now we have to wait for this for a few seconds to complete and download the file that we need, and then we upload it and send it to our client, and hopefully that we get a new new contracts that we could upload another malware, so we would be done with our objectives. So let's exit this one. Oh, sorry, the exit doesn't work. We have to disconnect. Here, let's phone load. Okay, reputation increased by 334, 7.28, and the contract is complete. So here's the deal. I'm gonna just clear this screen and close this one. I guess once we've done the contracts, we have to get some sleep before we before we will be given more contracts, because we as a human, we need sleep and rest. So I guess I have to go and sleep for now, because there's no contracts and we wouldn't be able to complete the objects for today. So in the next video, we're gonna after I'm done with sleep, we're gonna come back, check out if we have any new contracts, and hopefully to get another contract on uploading a malware, and let's see what we will have. So let me close this one, save the video, and then Control F. I guess I have to go and sleep. Yep, sleep for the day. I would save here again, and then I would go and sleep. So thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series on Hacker Simulator. It is sort of realistic, but not too much. I mean, it's a game, it's a simulation, but still you're gonna learn about different services to exploit, Nmap, and also how to download or upload things on a Linux machine. So that will be it for this video, and I hope you are enjoying it. Please, if you like it, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment your progress, or how are you doing so far in this game. In the next video, we're gonna continue with our objective, which would be uploading another malware, and then we're gonna see what other objectives we will have and the progress. And also, I guess we have to, in the next video, I guess I have to hack into another Wi-Fi network also, because it's getting full and we don't want the police to call us. So that's it, and let's go sleep.